Today we're making drunken noodles.
Noodles are great.
Yeah,
the
noodles.
The other night, we said noodles the other night.
Oh, I just did it!
Twice. Shit! Okay, so this girl is on fire.
That girl is on fire.
I know all the words. There's this whole part at the beginning where she's like, lonely as a highway. I'm like, girl, that is lonely. You know? Look at you. You are thirsty. I am too. It's fine.
Bitches be thirsty. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. My name is Christian, of course, and this is
Melanie. Mm-hmm.
And we're making drunken noodles today. While slightly drunk. So it's good. It's perfect.
Yep. Nothing wrong here.
No. Alright, so first things first, we want to fry our tofu.
Okay. Did you dry it and squeeze all the nasty water out of it yet?
I dried it. I didn't squeeze anything out of it.
Oh, okay. Just curious.
Because if you squeeze it, it'll break apart.
That's my problem. I've been squeezing it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Did you really?
Yeah, I put it in between two paper towels and push it.
No, I just air dried it.
You air dry it?
Yeah.
I've just learned something new.
That's the whole point. Too high. I put some olive oil in there, and I'm also going to put some vegetable oil.
Why are you doing both?
Olive oil has a lower smoke point than vegetable oil. So we want our oil to get pretty hot before we put in the tofu. You want to toss it in?
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Ooh.
Oh! Didn't see that, buddy. Have I told you what I called these before I knew what drunken noodles were?
Noodles?
No. There was this restaurant that I always went to. They were just called spicy beef noodle. Okay, so at the restaurant it was like spicy beef noodle, and you could get it with tofu or chicken or beef, but you just okay. But that's all I knew was they were wide, flat, slippery noodles. So Paul be like, "Hey, what do you want to eat? What do you want tonight?" I was like, "Let's go out. Let's go eat slippery noodles."
Slippery noodles. That's perfect.
They're so good, and that's exactly what they are. But now I know that they have names.
So you like spicy food?
Yeah.
Okay, because this is gonna be spicy.
So I wake up.
Thank you.
And I really want to treat myself.
You make me feel like a person.
I get coffee and a fizzy water and juice. I like beverages. I don't know what I want. I'm gonna eat all of them.
Have it all. You're gonna eat,
I don't have to choose.
all of them?
This is America and I don't have to choose.
That's true.
Coffee.
Alright. I want to warn you that the next toss around is yours.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
This could go very badly. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Yeah, you're gonna do it. I know.
Oh my God, that's not a question.
Alright, it's time for a toss around.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, so loosen all the stuff at the bottom. Give it a jiggle. Yeah, yep. And then make a circular motion. Yep, up. You're scared. You just keep lifting
very scared.
Alright, so here, watch.
The circular. I don't see a circle. Oh, you mean with the pan?
I do.
Okay. Yes, Melanie.
So angle it.
You
can angle it down so it won't come at you. Right.
Okay.
And then just do a circle. Just like an oval, maybe, is a better way to describe it. Because you just keep lifting
No, I did it!
You did it!
You
You did it! That's great.
Okay,
it's fantastic. And then just make sure it's all across the bottom again.
Do you ever worry about some of the ones that aren't dark and you feel like you should go flip them individually, make sure they're fair? No.
Alright, you ready?
You said once.
I said the next time. I did not say once.
I heard it as once.
Yeah, of course you did. Because you were just like, oh, I don't have to do this one time.
Okay, I'm shimmying. I'm circling.
Yes! That was awesome! That was perfect. You do it a couple more times.
Oh, it's so heavy on my delicate lady wrist.
Oh my God. Okay. Is it because... Oh, it's okay. Nobody died. Just do it again. Really get them around.
I'm trying.
I know, but these have obviously been on the bottom for a minute because they're getting browner.
Yeah, and I just flipped them.
You did great.
360.
Look at you. Look at that. Look at that.
fix it.
Oh my god. We have our fried tofu. And we're going to drain it.
It's very hot.
On a paper towel. It is very hot.
I'm done. Yeah. It was nice.
Okay, so we're going to saute our veggies.
Oh.
And these.
Okay, I can hold them. I'll do that.
What's and you're gonna
this?
Put them
this
in
is
there,
red bell pepper, jalapeno, and
Thai chili.
Thai chili. Are we putting the garlic in there right now, or is it in the sauce?
No, we're gonna put it there in a minute.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure which one of us went to culinary school.
It was you, but I watch a lot of cooking shows.
Oh, so that makes up for it. I forgot how cooking shows like cancels out culinary.
I know how to cook bull testicles because of Chopped.
Yeah, I know how to cook that too. Just
because you went to culinary school
with less neck, but yeah. Let's saute these vegetables all the way. Saute.
Boom.
This is not about flavor, it's about cooking. Oh my god, don't touch that. But okay. Careful. Jalapenos.
Oh, one time I got jalapeno juice under my fingernails. It was terrible.
Yeah, it's bad.
For 2 days, I think.
Yep. Keep going. One more. That's good. Yep. And redistribute. Yep. No, it's great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that was better.
Yes.
Felt a little more confident.
Yeah.
You know why? It's the booze.
No, it's hot. It's like mace.
We're just gonna cough.
We got a lot of pepper.
There's
all right.
mace in the air.
Garlic. Just really toss it. Yes. Yeah, girl, it's hot.
I've been maced.
I'm telling you, that's why I've been seasoning. All right, noodles next. So much sneezing involved.
I'm like,
Thai chili pepper, man.
Yeah, it is.
woo! Don't make me do that. Don't make me do that. Everything's gonna come out, and then we're not gonna be able to eat it.
So we've been sauteing these noodles for about 5 minutes, and we just want to really get some color on them. And after that, we're going to add this awesome sauce. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sauce. Once we get a good color on our noodles in this state, in the pan, we're going to add a cup of basil, and that's a lot. And also the tofu, and we're just going to fold it in.
There's not any more sauce.
Gently.
Like, this is
That's
the
it.
sauce.
That's it.
Okay. Now those are some slippery noodles.
Good old slippery nudes. Noodles.
Oh,
calm down. Whoa.
I can't breathe.
And tofu.
So how long do you cook the basil till it wilts?
You are just folding it in. This is entirely off.
Folding
Like
it.
the whole element. Yeah, you're folding it in. Food!
Dude, let's eat. Okay. Our mace.
I mean, it is.
It's really spicy smelling. I love spicy food.
I mean,
This
the mace
gonna
is in the
be
air.
Great. The mace is in the air. We should name this episode "The Mace is in the Air."
Right.
Wait, I'm gonna squirt my lime though.
Yeah, let's do that. Drunken Noodles!
You did a great job. I barely helped, and I'm okay with that. I learned a lot.
You did a great job. Also.
Okay.
Thanks for watching our show. Like, I can't tell you how much it means to me that you guys come back week after week. You should probably just subscribe.
Do that.
And convince all your friends to subscribe.
Yes.
And, you know, maybe
Share it.
Share it.
Share it.
Crazy concept.
I know.
And
I'm going on script.
like it. And like it.
Yeah.
So
do that.
just do it. Share, like, subscribe. and show us that you love us, because we love you back. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.